Hello everyone, this is the unboxing video of the Western Digital SMR drive with PCB 810035. Now let's check what does the adapter look like. We open the plastic box, okay, here. Now here's one plastic bag with two screws to fix the adapter. Let me get them. Okay, two screws to fix the SATA adapter to the USB hard drive. And this is the adapter. Okay, this is the adapter. It looks cool. Okay, so we can see the SATA interface, and this is the 810035 adapter. On the other side, we can see here are the data read pins. Okay. It's one very beautiful USB to SATA adapter. So we just use these two screws, like this one, to fix the SATA adapter to the USB drive. We can see the USB, we can see like here. This is USB interface. We just install like this one, okay? Install here. So we convert the USB interface to SATA. It's very easy. Just to fix the SATA adapter to the USB hard drive. Then the USB hard drive becomes one SATA drive. With this adapter, it's easy for users to work with the slow or bad sector or wicked Western Digital SMR hard drives by the SATA interface, okay? So whether you are going to fix the firmware corruption or recover lost data from physical damaged 810035 USB hard drives, it's better users convert the USB interface to SATA, and it's more stable. Okay, now let's check what kind of models are using the PCB 810035. So we can see here these models. Are using the PCB 810035. And users can come here to buy this adapter. And it's cheap, and also we ship this adapter worldwide by DHL Express or FedEx or other shipping methods users wish to have. Okay, let's come back to this adapter. And this is the unboxing video. Thank you for watching this video.